Hey, KY here. I've been struggling to try to figure out what to bake for Chinese New Year, but I think the music in the background calls for some butter cake, right? Here are the ingredients I'm gonna use, starting with the most important, Anchor unsalted butter. So we are gonna measure the baking soda, baking powder, and also we use 400 gram of flour. Sieve it through and make sure there are no clumps. So we then mixed it with a whisk until they are all even. I'm using an orange zest, Mandarin Orange here for that natural taste. And then 120 gram of sugar is all we need for the low sweetness taste. I also have, of course, 6 eggs for it. So look at this butter, 400 gram of Anchor unsalted butter. They are made from 100% pure New Zealand milk to bring you that rich and creamy taste. We're gonna start whisking using an electric small mixer and then mix in the sugar and beat it until they are pale in color. Next up is to add the eggs. Make sure you add it one by one and then continue to whisk. Once it reaches a nice consistency, put in half the flour and start folding kind of carefully. You don't want to spill it out. Then add the orange zest and juice here. You can also use essence. Of course, the Anchor UHT full cream milk is added here as well. The rest of the flour goes in and start folding again until everything is nice. And here you go, that's the whole process. Then put it in a baking pan. You want to smoothen it nicely so that it looks good. Then throw it in the oven, 170 Celsius, maybe 35 to 45 minutes or so, depending on how big your container is. So then after that, when it is done, take it out. Make sure you poke a little bit and the inner is not still wet. Then you will be done. This is perfecto. So beautiful. Mandarin Orange Butter Loaf made with Anchor unsalted butter. Taste test. Delicious. Melt in your mouth and really good from that butter richness. There's also an Anchor butter contest going on. Check out the caption and see how you can participate. There's up to 62,888 worth of prizes to get. Good luck!